York has issued a flash flood warning for Passaic County, Westchester County, Northwestern Bergen County, Rockland County, Putnam County, Eastern Orange County until 5:30 p.m. At 3:21 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated possible flash flooding from a line of thunderstorms moving from northern Passaic County and into Rockland and southern Orange counties. Additional thunderstorms extending across central and northern Orange County and flash flooding is possible across those areas. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Floodwaters are usually deeper than they appear. Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen and Passaic, and the following counties in New York,